Hey everyone, we are out here at the farm today. Going to do our monthly maintenance. We stopped at Atwood's on our way out and got 600 pounds of deer corn. We went ahead and went with the double clean this time. We're trying to stay away from the apple that we normally get is clogging up our feeders. We're going to take 8 bags of those back to the very back stand that we have, and then we're going to split the other 8 between the 2 other stands that we have. Went ahead and got us some more of the Game Winner batteries, 6-volt. We're going to change those out on our feeders. The one in the back, like we told you last time, it's got the solar panel on it, so we haven't been having to change it out, but we're going to change these batteries out. We went ahead and brought the drone out today, a DJI drone. We're going to see if we can't fly it back there and get some aerial footage, kind of see what all's going on back there. There's been a pig trap put up, and we're going to kind of check that out and see location of where it's at. It's our first time to be out here since it's been set up out there. All right, so we made it back here to the back stand, back feeder. The battery is still charged, so we still have 3 bars. This is the one where we have the solar panel on it. So it's staying charged. We went ahead and did a test. Tested great. It's still got a little bit in it from the last fill, so we're probably not going to end up putting as many bags in as we thought, but we're going to get at least 2 in here, potentially 3. And we checked all the timers and everything, made sure everything was set up, good to go. All right, so we are wrapping up for the day. We got all of the feeders filled. We got batteries changed out. We got the AR dialed in. That's it for today. I don't know if you guys are from Oklahoma or not, but it is freezing out here, 28 degrees. My hands are numb. I can't feel my fingers. So we're going to wrap it up for the day.
Hey everyone, this is Ricky from Tranquil Outdoors with Ricky and Amber. If you liked the video that you just watched, remember to give us a thumbs up. Also hit that subscribe button for more up and coming exciting content. Let me